easy ways to do a scarf, okay? And what you want to do, you want to bring it, your scarf, just like this, and just bring it over your neck, okay? You want to take it, and you want to cross it over, like this. Cross it over, like this. About round up in this area here. So if you're wearing a chain, you'll be able to see your chain. And you want to take it this end, and you want to wrap it like this. Like that. You want to bring this over here, and then you're going to tuck right there. Tuck it in like this. See? Then you want to take this one here. You want to bring this one. You want to take and bring it under like this. Like that. And bring this one here. Do it like this. And then you want to take the other one. 3. And then you got one more. 4. You want to take it like this. Make sure they all even. And you're going to take it and stick it in like this. Tuck it on the side like this. It's a cute way to wear this scarf. Okay. It's a cute way. Tuck. See this part? There you go. Bring it loose. And take it. You want to bring it in like this. And if you want to show your chain, or if you don't, you can bring it up closer to your neck. There's one knot. We're going to do two knots, and then we're going to do three knots, and then we're going to do 4 like this, 4 knots, just like this. And then we're going to take this one here, this here, and bring it over. See? 3, 1, 2, 3. This, take it and bring it over. Take this and stick it in right here, and then push up on it, and then you have the scarf. Quick, easy way. Now, take this and bring it over like this, and then take this one and bring it over like this, and then you want to take this one here, right here. See, it's the one you flipped over. You want to take this one and go under, grab hold to this, and then you want to grab hold again like that, and then you want to take this one and bring it inward like that, and then you want to come over like this and take this one and bring it over and pull it through like this, and then you want to take and push out. All right, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this short tutorial. This is the look that I decided to go with. I felt like it complemented my boots. Tell me what y'all think in the comments below. But until then, I'm wishing y'all love, peace, and happiness. Bye.